Hello my colleagues, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 6 solid dividend paying companies in the Nigerian stock market that can help you build steady passive income in 2025. Now, when I say best, I'm not talking about the ones with the highest or flashiest dividends. Really, what makes these companies special is their track record. They have consistently paid dividends over the years. So if you're an investor who is more focused on earning regular incomes rather than chasing capital appreciation, this video is definitely for you. Before we dive in, I need you to do me a small favor. Please smash that like button and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. Also, if you are part of any finance group or know someone who is trying to grow their money, share this video with them. It could be exactly what they need to hear and watch to be able to make more money. All right, no long talk. Let's get straight into the 6 companies making this list. Let's go. Julius Berger Nigeria PLC is one of the most reliable dividend-paying companies on the Nigerian stock market. If you are someone looking to earn consistent passive income, then Julius Berger should definitely be on your radar. Well, first off, let's talk about their recent dividend history. In 2024, they paid out 3 naira per share, totaling 4.8 billion naira. That's a solid increase from the 2.50 naira per share they paid in 2023, which amounted to 4 billion naira. This shows that the company has been growing steadily, even in the face of economic challenges. Now, when we look at the broader dividend history over the past decade, Julius Berger has shown some ups and downs, but the trend has been mostly positive. For instance, in 2019, they increased their payout to 2.2 naira 50 kobo from 2 naira in the previous years. In 2020, they dropped it back to 2 naira, but quickly bounced back with an increase to 2 naira 50 kobo in 2022. And now, as I mentioned, in 2024, they paid 3 naira per share in dividends. One thing to note is that Julius Berger has consistently paid out dividends for years, even during tough economic period. They have shown they are committed to rewarding their shareholders, which is always a good sign for anyone looking for a stable income stream. If you're someone thinking of investing in Julius Berger, know that you are getting into a company that's serious about its long-term financial stability and rewarding its investors. If you are looking to invest in a company that consistently rewards its shareholders, Zenith Bank has got you covered. Well, to prove this, let's dive into Zenith Bank's dividend history. In 2024, Zenith Bank paid out 4 naira per share, which is the highest payout in the entire banking sector. That's a whopping 125.59 billion naira total payout. Compare that to the 3.3 naira 20 kobo per share they paid in 2023 and 3 naira 10 kobo per share they paid in 2022. You can see a clear trend of consistent growth despite economic challenges. The bank has been able to increase dividends over the years, which is a solid sign of financial strength. What stands out for me is that Zenith Bank managed to increase its payouts during some pretty tough times, like the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, when they still paid out 2 naira 80 kobo per share. This shows that the bank has a strong management team and resilience in the face of adversity. The bank's dividend payout history over the past decade also tells a very positive story, from 1 naira 75 kobo per share in 2014 to 4 naira in 2024. Zenith Bank has shown impressive growth. The jump to 4 naira per share in 2024 is especially remarkable because it's a significant increase from the previous years, reflecting the bank's exceptional performance and profitability. By the way, guys, when I say 2024 dividend, the dividend covers the financial year in 2023. So when I say 2024 dividend, it means it was for the 2023 financial year, and when I say 2023 dividend, it means for the 2022 financial year. I hope that makes sense. Moving to the next stock we have on this list, GTBank or GTCO, which is Guaranteed Trust Bank, GTBank holding company, is one of Nigeria's most reliable and consistent dividend payers. If you are someone looking for steady returns on your investment, GTCO could or should definitely be on your watch list or in your portfolio. For the last decade, GTCO has been paying out strong dividends, and their performance just keeps getting better. Take 2024 as an example. the bank is expected to pay or the bank paid 2.70 kobo per share, showing that they are committed to maintaining their solid dividend policy even during tough economic times. GTCO's dividend payout has grown steadily over the years, starting from 1.75 kobo per share and peaking to 3 naira in 2020. Even amid the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, that's some serious money that they actually paid out in 2020. It shows that GTCO has not only been profitable but also determined to reward their shareholders no matter what is happening in the economy. Looking at their history, you'll notice consistent increase in payouts, especially from 2016 onwards, from 2 naira in 2016 to 2 naira 75 kobo in 2018 and up to 3 naira in 2020. GTCO has been consistent in increasing dividends while also handling market conditions very, very well. In 2023, they paid out 2 naira 70 kobo, a solid payout even though the economy faced its own share of challenges. The bank has really mastered the art of stability even in unpredictable times, giving investors a sense of security. So if you are looking for a bank that not only delivers solid financial performance but also ensures its investors are well rewarded, GTCO is definitely a great option with their stable payouts and ability to maintain strong dividends. Now guys, let's shift gears and talk about Lafarge Africa, a key player in the Nigerian building materials sector. If you have been following the stock market, you know Lafarge has been consistent in rewarding its shareholders with dividends over the years, even when the times are tough. For 2024, Lafarge Africa has declared a 1 naira 90 kobo per share dividend with a total payout of approximately 32 billion naira. This marks a solid increase from the 1 naira 50 kobo per share they paid in 2023 and the 1 naira 0.05 kobo in dividends they paid in 2022, highlighting a recovery phase for the company. What's interesting about Lafarge Africa's dividend history is that even during challenging periods like the COVID-19 pandemic, they have kept their dividend payout stable. In 2020, for example, the company paid 1 naira per share in dividend, sticking to the same amount as the previous years, showing their resilience and commitment to investors. Now, what does this mean for you as an investor? It means Lafarge Africa is a company that knows how to adapt to market conditions. So if you're looking for a company that can deliver consistent returns even during uncertain times, Lafarge Africa is a solid option with their recent increase in dividend payout. You can see the company is positioning itself for growth, making it a strong contender in the Nigerian stock market. Next up, let's talk about Bua Foods. Bua Food has not only performed well, but has also consistently increased its dividend payouts, which is a great sign for investors. For 2023, Bua Foods declared a 5 naira 50 kobo per share dividend, bringing the total payout to about 99 billion naira. This was a 22.22% increase from their previous year, and it marks a record payout for the company. But that's not all. Just 2 years earlier in 2021, their dividend was 3 naira 50 kobo per share, and in 2022 they bumped it up to 4 naira 50 kobo per share, showing a clear upward trend in how much they are willing to reward their shareholders. Now, what is driving this dividend increase? Well, Bua Food has been killing it with its revenue, which jumped by 74.4% to 729.4 billion naira in 2023. This growth is being driven by strong sales in sugar and other products, giving the company the financial strength to keep upping its payout. In fact, their profit after tax also grew by 22.7% from 91.3 billion naira in 2022 to 112.1 billion naira in 2023. Looking at their dividend history, you can see that since their IPO, Bua Food has been on a clear growth trajectory. So if you're looking for at a company that's growing rapidly and rewarding its investors along the way, Bua Food is one to keep your eye on. They have been delivering record-breaking payouts and have shown that they are committed to rewarding shareholders with a bright future ahead. Fidelity Bank has been steadily increasing its dividend payout, showing resilience and growth over the years. In 2023, Fidelity Bank paid a total dividend of 0 naira 85 kobo per share, 0 naira 25 kobo coming as an interim dividend and 0 naira 60 kobo as the final dividend. That's like a 20% increase from 2022 when the total dividend was just 0 naira 50 kobo per share. This shows that they are not just surviving but thriving in Nigeria's competitive banking sector. Now, here is where it gets even better for Fidelity Bank. In 2024, Fidelity Bank declared an interim dividend of 0 naira 85 kobo, which already equals the entire payout in 2023. This is a big signal of how strong the bank's financial performance is and how committed they are to rewarding their investors. If we zoom out a bit, you'll notice a clear upward trend in Fidelity Bank dividend payout over the last decade. Back in 2014, they just paid out 0 naira 18 kobo per share. Fast forward to today, we have seen steady increases even during tough times like the COVID-19 pandemic, when they still managed to raise their payouts. That kind of resilience actually speaks volume about the company. Now, what does this mean for investors? Fidelity Bank has consistently shown that they are reliable, focused on growth, and dedicated to shareholder value. If you are looking for a solid dividend stock in the banking sector, Fidelity is definitely worth considering or adding to your portfolio. And there you have it, guys. These are my top 6 dividend paying stocks to consider in 2025. These companies are not just paying dividends, they are showing a strong growth and commitment to rewarding their investors. If you have found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and share this video with your friend. It really helps the channel to grow. Also, don't forget to join my WhatsApp channel and Telegram community where I share exclusive tips on investing and personal finance. It's actually a very vibrant space and you get to connect with like-minded individuals who are serious about their investing journey. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart, stay invested. Deal.